Hello friends, welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very simple and healthy vegetable Valor beans cooked in a unique style with minimum spices. First, let us look at how we need to clean these Valor beans and remove the strings before starting with the ingredients. Take one bean at a time and remove a small portion. Cut off a small portion from both the ends, and when you cut off that portion, peel off the string that comes off the edge and discard it. Break the Valor bean once in between and keep it aside. Similarly, repeat for all the Valor beans and remove the strings that come off from both the edges. When these beans are really fresh, and for some of the beans which are really small in size, you might not get any strings at all. Now these Valor beans are ready and we are going to wash them thoroughly in water. After washing them thoroughly, I am going to cut them into small pieces. You can keep the size of the piece according to your choice. After chopping, these Valor beans are about 2 cups in all. And now let us take a look at all the other ingredients that we will need. 2 to 3 medium-sized green chilies, coriander powder half teaspoon, salt by taste, cumin powder half teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, and from this special box of all the seasonings that we usually have ready in our Indian kitchens, we will only need mustard seeds, turmeric powder and Hing or Asafoetida. First, let us heat about 2 to 3 teaspoon oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds crackle, add Asafoetida or Hing and turmeric powder. Now add all the chopped Valor beans and stir fry a little. Now add salt by taste, cumin powder, some coriander powder and little sugar just to enhance the taste. Now I am using this crusher to chop the green chilies and add to the Valor beans. Mix everything once again. Keep the flame on low and cover it and allow it to cook. After about 5 minutes of cooking in this way, I am going to check once again. You can see the color of the Valor beans has started changing, but they are not fully cooked yet. So I am going to let it cook again covered for 5 more minutes. After about 10 to 12 minutes of cooking on a low flame, you can very easily see that the color of all the Valor beans has changed and they appear perfectly cooked now. So I'm going to turn off the gas, and now these Valor beans are almost ready. If you like, you can garnish with some fresh grated coconut and some finely chopped coriander. And now this delicious and healthy Valor bean sabzi is ready to serve with any kind of Indian bread like roti or fulka. So enjoy making this delicious healthy vegetable at home. Please do not hesitate to post any questions or comments, and also like the video and subscribe to the channel if you really like the recipe. Thank you.